Hello everyone, welcome to I Am a Cooker channel. Today we are going to make a green tomato salsa. In my previous video I've shown you how to make the normal tomato salsa, but today we are going to use the tomatillos or the green tomatoes with jalapenos, and it's a very spicy salsa, and I've added the ingredients in the description box. Let's get started. To a hot pan, add olive oil. Add 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped. Add the green tomatoes and jalapenos. Saute it till the tomatoes and jalapenos become soft. Cover and cook it on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now my green tomato and jalapeno is cooked. We're going to set it to cool and then blend it. Now let's add the cooled green tomatoes and jalapenos to the blender. Next, we are going to add green peppers, cilantro, onions, little bit of lime juice, and salt. And we are going to blend everything. Our green tomato salsa is ready. Let's transfer it. Now let's try the green tomato salsa. It's so good, and you get the sourness from the tomatoes and the spicy from the jalapenos. It's very delicious. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipes. Thank you.